Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by activating Microsoft Rewards and linking your Xbox gamer tag so points flow directly to your account. Complete the quick daily check-ins, quizzes, and Bing searches. These are low-effort tasks that accumulate fast. Once linked, set aside 10 minutes daily to clear the available small tasks and add browser widgets to remind you. Make sure to claim the small bonus for using Edge and mobile searches, because those little gains compound into redeemable points for Xbox content. You now focus on the medium complexity steps that boost totals, target weekly sets, time-limited promos, and any 1090-point quizzes since they yield higher density per minute. Once done with basics, run searches across allowed devices, phone, PC, console, to collect device bonuses. Make sure to redeem points into Xbox gift cards or passes when discounts appear, because buying during promos stretches value. Also set calendar reminders for recurring weekly sets, so you never miss. You finish by converting accumulated points into Xbox gift cards, Game Pass time, or store credits when promotional value is best. After redeeming, confirm the code applied to your gamer tag and activate purchases immediately. If points don't appear or redemption fails, first recheck your rewards transaction history and gamertag link. Sometimes delays occur. If unresolved, gather timestamps and screenshots. Then contact Microsoft Rewards support with those details. This speeds resolution and prevents losing earned value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.